Alright, what's up y'all? We're here doing a Silverado work day. So we've got Mike, myself, and I believe Jake is going to be showing up later. So it's just a work truck work day, I guess. It'd be even better if it was a Wednesday, because then it could be work truck Wednesday. Yeah, we got Mike here already. At least on my truck, I know that we're going to try and do the transfer case fluid, spark plugs, and there's a third thing. Oh, fuel filter. That's what we're hoping to accomplish today.
Heat it up and try to get it off that way, but then I realized that it's...
Oh my god, I think I just got it. Good old leverage. My socket just went flying. I really need to think about getting an undercarriage wash on this thing, because it's still super muddy. Basically, I was taking off the fill bolt, which is on the top, and struggling with it a lot, and it rounded on me, so we're turning to some desperate measures. Plan is that we're going to use this inductor tool to heat up the bolt, make it super hot. That way it breaks loose all of the threads and everything. And then I'm gonna hit it with bolt extractor 17. So it's one size, 1 millimeter smaller, and a breaker bar. Hopefully that does it. Okay, so we tried the bolt extractors, we tried smaller sockets, tried a wrench, obviously tried the original socket size for it and everything. Even tried the inductor tool. Heat induction tool. And yeah, no dice, so rounded it off pretty good. I think we maxed out our resources on that, so probably gonna call a mobile mechanic to come by and hopefully get that undone so I can fill it up with the transfer case fluid. But gonna continue on, moving on to the spark plugs and the fuel filter next. Gonna do the fuel filter now. Okay. Oh yeah. Out. Good. Okay, so it took a little bit to get them out, but this is the old fuel filter, and she's pretty rough looking. Good thing we're doing this, so I don't even know if this has ever been replaced on the car. Probably not, but yeah, let's look at the new one. Alright, so we got the new one here and the old one here. They look pretty much the exact same, which is nice. New one is installed. Alright, so we got all 8 of those out. Luckily that went pretty smoothly, no issues. Now we're just gonna toss in the new ones.
helicopter!
I can't believe I actually got you in frame.
I have to smash off all the ceramic and carry handfuls and pockets of these around just in case someone makes us mad on the road. Throw it out their side windows and have no windows left.
So it's a really good road rage tactic that you got there.
Yeah. You definitely won't get in trouble doing that.
Alright, that's going to do it for this video, guys. It's a pretty fun one. Most of it went smoothly except for that fill bolt for the transfer case fluid. I'm going to actually call somebody to fix that. We even tried using a blowtorch after I said we were done and tried using needle nose vice grips, but just no dice. That thing is frozen on there, which sucks. But everything else went smoothly, so one rounded bolt, not bad. But I appreciate you guys watching. As a reminder, I upload every single Sunday. See you in the next one.
Beautiful. Okay. That is tight as a giant bride in July. And thus concludes our predicament.
Sir, the wrench for you?
Oh, fuck, I can redeem that.
Do you want the wrench?
Oh, much redeemed.